Hello, I'm going to show you how you are going to make a copy and share something with me. So this is Monday's agenda, and on it is an assignment, and it's an all about me assignment, and it's in Google Slides. So what you're going to want to do is click on the link. Okay, it automatically takes you to this page that will have a blue button that says make a copy. A lot of your assignments will be like this. The reason is in Google, if you share something with somebody, hello, I'm going to show you how to make a copy and save something. So right here is our agenda for Monday, and there's an activity under reading called the All About Me activity. You're going to click on it once, it brings this up. Move your cursor down just a little bit, your mouse, click on that, and it takes you to that page. You're going to want to make a copy first. This is your only option when this window pops up. So you see the blue button, make a copy, click on that. Sorry, it took a second there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do before you get started on the activity is you see up here how it says this is the name of the file. Copy of, all about me Google Slides. Okay, we don't need all of the copy of. So what you'll do is you will click up here. See how the cursor right now is right after that second of. Now you can backspace to delete that part, or if you click on your mouse and drag it, see how that highlights in blue? You can do that and then hit backspace and that'll take it out. What you're going to put here is your name, okay? I'm putting my name because this is my name. You would put your name, okay? So now this activity is Miss Anderson, All About Me Google Slides. And then I'm going to complete it. You don't have to push anything else to make this save. See, when I click off of it, it's there. So now I'm going to go through this activity and I'm going to complete it. If I click here, it allows me to type. You can see I can type now. And as I type, it saves it. Okay, you don't have to push anything else for that. And I'll scroll down to the next page and keep going until I've answered all of the questions. Then when I get to the end, I'll be finished. I'll want to click share. See this yellow button up here, share? Okay, you want to share it with me, okay? So I'm going to put my email address in here. You would also put my email address up here. Don't worry about this because it's my account. That's why it's showing it. This would be your name on yours. So my email address is ANDER capital L capital E at nv.ccsd.net. And once you've typed my name a couple times, it'll start to remember me and it'll predict it. So yes, this is it. And then you click send. And that will send it to me, okay? That is what you need to do to turn these assignments in, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.